Let me be the first to welcome you to the NerdGizmos Facebook group. I am your host, Nikola, but my sweet dear mum calls me Ziggy. Please keep this a secret because those darn government whistleblowers have already outed the fact that cats are aliens living on Earth, and if they find out I am a time traveller from the year 2042, they will be after my skinny bum. The reason I have come back to this primitive era is to entertain, educate, and share technology from the future. I know this violates the Prime Directive, but who bloody cares? In my time, technology has advanced to the point where we have flying cars, robots that do our bidding, and even teleportation. But I'm not here to talk about all that. I'm here to talk about the things that really matter, like memes, cat videos, and the latest episode of The Bachelor. So sit back, relax, and enjoy a taste of the future. And who knows, you might even learn a thing or two. Also, if you see any suspicious-looking time travellers, please don't tell them I sent you.